As scene script. Ever wondered what the future holds for wearable technologies? Over the last 10 years, we've seen the world of wearable technology evolve at a breakneck pace. It's moved far beyond the realm of fitness trackers and smartwatches, permeating every aspect of our lives. From medical devices that monitor our health to smart glasses that augment our reality, the capabilities of wearable technology are expanding like never before. But hold on to your hats, because we're about to dive into a game-changing innovation that's set to revolutionize the way we think about wearable technology. Swiss researchers have introduced a never-before-seen technology that's as innovative as it is intriguing: the thread pump. Imagine a pump so small, so flexible, it can be woven directly into the fabrics of our clothing. This isn't a fantasy. This is the reality of the thread pump, constructed by twisting copper and polyurethane wires around a steel rod and fusing them with heat. This tube-shaped pump operates on the principle of electrohydrodynamic charge injection. What's truly remarkable about this technology is that it requires no moving parts. That's right, it's silent and vibration-free. This isn't just a minor improvement, it's a paradigm shift in how we handle fluids in wearable technologies. So, what could we do with a pump like this? The possibilities are as vast as they are exciting. Imagine circulating warm or cold fluids in your clothing for temperature control. Or, in the realm of virtual reality, simulating temperature sensations for a more immersive experience. But the applications don't stop there. These pumps could enhance the performance of athletes, providing hydration or cooling on demand. They could also be used in hydraulically actuated exoskeleton robotics, assisting in the movement of patients and the elderly. This is the future of wearable technology, and it's closer than you might think. Imagine a world where clothing does more than just cover you up. So, what exactly is this thread pump we're talking about? Well, imagine a pump so discreet and innovative that it can be woven directly into your clothing. This isn't a product of science fiction. It's a reality brought to life by Swiss researchers. It's called a thread pump, and it's set to revolutionize the way wearable technologies handle fluids. Now, let's delve a bit deeper into what makes this pump so unique. Picture a steel rod. Around this rod, we twist two types of wires, one of copper and one of polyurethane. This twisting forms the base of our thread pump, but we're not done yet. The next step is to apply heat, which fuses these wires together, creating a tube-like structure. This structure is the core of our thread pump. But how does it work? Well, this is where it gets fascinating. The thread pump operates on a principle known as electrohydrodynamic charge injection. A bit of a mouthful, isn't it? But don't worry, it's not as complex as it sounds. In simple terms, this principle allows the pump to move fluids without any moving parts. That's right, no gears, no valves, no pistons. This lack of moving parts makes the thread pump silent and vibration-free. You won't even notice it's there, quietly circulating fluids within your clothing. This thread pump is a perfect example of how technology is becoming increasingly integrated into our everyday lives. It's not a bulky machine that you can see or hear. Instead, it's a silent, unobtrusive thread, seamlessly woven into the fabric of our clothing. But the thread pump is not just about its discreet and innovative design. It holds immense potential for a wide range of applications. From enhancing the performance of athletes to revolutionizing temperature control in clothing, the thread pump is set to change the way we interact with technology. It's not just a thread, it's a silent, vibration-free pump woven into the fabric. And its potential applications are as limitless as our imagination. Now that we understand what a thread pump is, let's explore what it can do. The magic of the thread pump lies in its potential applications. This revolutionary technology can literally be woven into the fabric of our lives and our clothes. Imagine a world where your clothing isn't just about fashion or comfort, but also about utility. The thread pump can circulate warm or cold fluids directly through fabrics. Think about it. No more bulky jackets in winter or excessive sweating during the summer. Your clothing could automatically adjust to the temperature around you, keeping you comfortable no matter the weather. This technology isn't limited to just everyday wear. Imagine sportswear that could help athletes maintain an optimal body temperature during a game, enhancing their performance. But the applications of thread pump technology aren't just limited to clothing. It's set to revolutionize the world of virtual reality as well. By circulating warm or cold fluids, the thread pump can simulate temperature sensations, making virtual experiences feel more real than ever before. Imagine feeling the warmth of a virtual sun on your skin, or the chill of a virtual winter breeze. It's an exciting prospect, and one that could add a whole new dimension to how we experience virtual environments. And then, there's the potential to change the lives of the elderly and those with mobility issues. Thread pump technology could be used in hydraulically actuated exoskeleton robotics. These are wearable devices that assist with movement, making it easier for people to walk or move around. With thread pumps, these exoskeletons could become lighter, more flexible, and more responsive, offering a new lease on life for those who need it. But perhaps the most exciting aspect of the thread pump is its silence and lack of vibration. Traditional pumps have moving parts, which make noise and produce vibrations. The thread pump, on the other hand, operates on the principle of electrohydrodynamic charge injection, which requires no moving parts. This means it's silent and vibration-free. Imagine a world where technologies silently work in the background, seamlessly integrated into our lives without any noise or disruption. From temperature-controlled clothing and immersive virtual reality experiences to enhanced athletic performance and improved mobility for the elderly, the applications of the thread pump are vast and varied. It's a step towards a future where technology isn't just something we use, but something we wear, something that's a part of us. The thread pump is not just a concept, but a reality that's weaving its way into our wearable technologies. The thread pump is here, but what does that mean for our future? Well, let's envision a world where technology is not just something we interact with, but something that is woven into the very fabric of our lives, quite literally. The thread pump, an innovation born out of Swiss research, stands at the forefront of this vision. This remarkable technology, operating silently and vibration-free on the principle of electrohydrodynamic charge injection, could revolutionize the way we perceive and interact with technology. Imagine healthcare becoming more personalized and efficient. Thread pumps woven into clothing could monitor and regulate body temperatures, potentially providing relief for those suffering from conditions that affect thermoregulation. The silent operation of these pumps also means they could be used in hospitals without disturbing the peace, making patient care a more comfortable experience. Now let's shift our gaze to the sports sector. Athletes constantly push their bodies to the limit, and temperature regulation is a key factor in performance. With the thread pump technology, sportswear could circulate warm or cold fluids, helping athletes maintain optimal body temperatures, thus enhancing their performance. And it doesn't stop there. The entertainment industry could also benefit significantly from this technology. In virtual reality applications, the thread pumps could simulate temperature sensations, creating a more immersive and realistic experience. Imagine feeling the warmth of a virtual sun or the chill of a simulated snowfall. That's the kind of future we're looking at with the thread pump. But perhaps the most heartwarming application of this technology lies in its potential use in hydraulically actuated exoskeleton robotics. These devices could assist in the movement of the elderly or patients with mobility issues, offering them a new lease on life. The thread pump is more than just a revolution in wearable technology. It's a thread that's weaving its way into our future. This technology, born out of a blend of ingenuity and innovation, holds the promise of a future where technology doesn't just aid us, but becomes an integral, seamless part of our everyday lives. So, ready to embrace the future with thread pumps? We've covered a lot of ground today, from the revolutionary concept of these pumps, right down to their unique construction using copper and polyurethane wires. Remember, the electrohydrodynamic charge injection principle they operate on requires no moving parts, making these pumps silent and completely vibration-free. We've also explored the wide range of applications these thread pumps can be woven into, from clothing to give you control over your temperature, to virtual reality experiences that simulate temperature sensations, and even into the realm of sports performance and healthcare. They're set to enhance the performance of athletes and assist patients and the elderly with hydraulically actuated exoskeleton robotics. It's clear that these thread pumps are not just threads of innovation, but threads of hope and possibility. As we thread our way into the future, let's stay curious, let's stay excited, and let's stay ready for the revolution of wearable technologies.